Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to remove any background from any video in After Effects. In this tutorial, I'll choose Smooth Criminal Michael Jackson. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add my video, so I'll go to File and import your video, drag and drop, and this is our video. Okay, make sure that you are on the first frame, double click, and this is our scene we will use. Okay, now I'll go to roto brush tool and just draw Michael. If I want to make it at this point small or big, so I'll go to control, click, and right or left. Drag your mouse right or left. Okay, and now let me draw. Just draw. See? Yeah. Okay. See. And yeah. Now I don't need this part, so I'll go to first I'll make it smaller, so I'll go to control, click your mouse and drag your mouse, then go to alt and remove it. Okay, like this. Yeah, and see, no background. Okay, again control, and let me fix this. Yeah, also I'll go here and roto brush and I'll drag this line like this. Okay, and let me see. Also, you can go to feather and increase it a little bit. Also, contrast, I'll decrease it, and shift edge also I'll decrease it. Okay, and let me see. Okay, I don't need this. Double click again and alt, and I'll remove it. See? Yeah, here also alt and remove. Okay, you have to do it frame by frame, but it's take a long time, but you have to do this. Okay, Okay, now I finished my part, and now we remove the background from this video. So if you like our video, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.